Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss the new target I and several others have collaborated to create that officially destroys the Harman In-Ear target. This is the last step, and there really is no more improvement from here for target tonality. If you've been in audio for a while, you'll know the most common complaints about the Harman In-Ear 2019 target curve. Number one, it's too thin in the lower mids, it has too much shout, and it's too rolled off in the upper treble. People do not say this for no reason. The purpose of the Harman headphone targets is to translate Sean Olive's mentor's research, Dr. Floyd Toole, that flat on-axis speakers with good directivity perform the best in double-blind listening tests. And the purpose of the Harman headphone targets is to create a target that sounds as good as flat on-axis speakers with good directivity, because at the end of the day, songs are not mixed and mastered on Harman IE 2019 gear, they're mixed on flat on-axis speakers with good directivity. Enter the Endgame IE target. It takes everything bad about the Harman IE target and makes it better. It's too shouty? Okay, reduce the ear gain. It's lacking in upper treble? Okay, increase the upper treble. It's too thin in the lower mids? Well, reducing the upper mids increases the presence of the lower mids, so it sounds fine now. How this target was created was by listening to a flat on-axis speaker system with good directivity, calibrated below the room transition frequency, exactly following the specifications of what makes an ideal stereo listening system. I then EQ'd an IEM like the Moondrop variations by ear to that speaker system, and the result was the Endgame IE target. Now, of course, there will be people who will say that there needs to be some study to prove that the Endgame IE target sounds better than the Harman IE target, but this is completely false. At the end of the day, all you need to do is use your own ears. It's really obvious that the Endgame IE target sounds better than the Harman IE 2019 target. The Harman IE 2019 target sounds shouty and dark in comparison. And there are people who like to pretend that the Harman IE target is all there is for sound quality, when in reality, the IEMs that were compared to the target were complete dog shit in the first place, and for that reason, it's completely illogical to say that a better target does not exist when this evidence is really limited. Additionally, Harman IE 2019 itself does not have any study validation. Only the 2017 targets did. And for years, people complained that they were too harsh and veiled, and then Harman decided to smooth the upper treble of this target, and that is the Harman IE 2019 target. There's nothing really more to it. The IEM many people say is the best in the world is extremely close to the Endgame In-Ear target, aside from it being a bit lumpy, but the general tonality is pretty much identical. And this was not a coincidence. Subtonic also realized that this is the Endgame In-Ear target. Literally all you have to do is look around. The best sounding IEMs follow this target. If you compare it to the Harman In-Ear target, it sounds better than the Harman In-Ear target. This is the best target. It is the Endgame In-Ear target curve. And if you want to hear some other opinions on this matter besides mine, we can go to Jay's audio. His EQ of the Thea Audio Hype 10 to what he would consider perceptually neutral is virtually identical to my Variations EQ to, again, perceptually neutral. Another person who I've had a lot of drama with in the past, Hi-Fi ASMR, has adopted the target on his website as his Endgame IE target as well. To be fair, it is virtually identical to his old target, aside from slightly changing the ear gain scoopage and also finally adding the lower mid scoop, which gives bass dynamics and preserves vocal clarity. And if you were not convinced with J Audio and Hi-Fi ASMR, even Giz Audio approves of the target curve and agrees that this is better than Harman IE 2019, and that really is all there is that needs to be said. This target does sound better than Harman IE 2019, I can say that with 100% certainty.